are working on GMetrix Word Expert Practice Exam 1. Currently, we're on the first project called Lake Lodging. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and copy the normal style from one document to another. This is one of those questions that always slips my mind. But we want to go to the Home tab, and we're going to be in the Styles group, and we're going to open the Styles dialog box, which opens up this right here. And then what we want to click on is this, the Manage Styles. If you're not sure, you can just hover. But once we click that, that opens up the Manage Styles dialog box. From here, we want to go ahead and click the Import Export button. And I already have everything loaded. We just need to select in the normal and go ahead and click Copy. When I ask if we want to overwrite the existing, we'll click Yes. We'll click Close, and we can close out of this. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and configure the auto save settings. So the key word here is configure. If you see that, configure means options. So we'll go ahead and click File, Options, and I'll shrink this screen for you. So we're in the save over here on the left-hand side, and it's right here. We just want to drop this down from 10 to 7. We'll click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and insert an Excel file that is linked so that it updates what changes are made to the file. So we'll go ahead and scroll between the two, the houseboat and contact us, where it tells us to insert it. We're going to go to the Insert tab, and then we're going to go to the text group. Now you can click Object. I have a tendency of clicking the drop-down box here and selecting Object. We're going to click Create from File. We'll go ahead and browse. GMetrix templates, of course, houseboat pricing, and then we want to click Link to File. That way it will just update for us. We'll click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and change the default font. So we're going to go back to the Home tab. We're going to go to the Font Group dialog box. Up here we'll change it to Arial, and we want to change the size to 12. We want to click Set as Default, and it tells us only for this document, so we'll go ahead and click OK. Click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go ahead and track the changes to the document. So we're going to go ahead and go to Review. In the Protect group, we're going to click Restrict Editing. We only want it to allow certain changes, so we'll click Allow here, and then click Track Changes. And then we want to select Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Now, the help down here will tell you to type in the GMetrix for the password, but we don't have to do that. It will mark you correct if you don't. Click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. And then Task 6 asks us to go ahead and mark the last comment. The comment on the last page is complete, so we'll go ahead and close out of the Restrict Editing box. We'll scroll down, and what I can do is right-click on this comment and click Mark Comment Done. We'll click Mark Completed.